Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Trust Wallet. First thing I want you to do is just launch up KuCoin, come at the bottom right, click on Assets, and from here I want you to click on Withdrawal. And under Crypto you should see your USDT. If you don't see it, you can search for it right here. So we'll tap on USDT. The network is Tether. Just make sure the network you select the correct one. So you are on-chain right here, and make sure you have USDT Tether selected. Network, you need to find the exact one you're going to be using from a Trust Wallet as well. So in this case, we'll do TRC20. Okay, this one. And you can, search up your network. So we'll use TRC20. And now we need the wallet address. So you can go to Trust Wallet. Okay. And then you can come here, look for your crypto. You can search it up as well. USDT. This one is right here. It's USDT Tether. Okay, Tron, this is the network. So what you need to do is tap here on receive. You need to copy this wallet address. Remember, it's TRC20, right? Tether, USDT, copy. So make sure it's the correct one, right? You paste in your wallet address. The network needs to be correct because otherwise you'll lose your funds, okay? If it's not correct. Then you enter the withdrawal amount. Come here, tap on withdraw. Okay, just confirm withdrawal. Make sure everything is correct. Click here on confirm. And the withdrawal will be initiated. So you can save this address for future as well. You can just go ahead, and as you can see, withdrawal was successful and it's been completed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.